Want to ensure your iPhone battery lasts long term? I'm Jessica, and in this video, we'll give you 10 tips and tricks to maintain battery health on iPhone. Now let's get started. Our first tip is to check your iPhone's battery health. Monitor your iPhone's battery health percentage to get an idea of how your battery is doing and learn how your usage affects your battery level. Open your settings and select Battery. Then tap Battery Health. Here you'll be able to see if your battery health is normal or not, its maximum capacity, and cycle count. Battery capacity tells you how much charge your device's battery can hold compared to when it was brand new. Cycle count tells you how many times your battery has been drained and recharged. Based on your battery's health, iOS may suggest settings to change to optimize how long your battery will last. Our second tip is optimized battery charging. A relatively new feature for iPhone is the optimized battery charging feature. This feature is designed to extend the lifespan of your device's battery by reducing the time your iPhone spends fully charged. Using this feature will still allow your battery to charge up to 100%, but it will learn your typical charging routine and delay charging fully until necessary. Another related feature is the battery charging limit option. On newer iPhones, you can set a charging limit from 80 to 100% in 5% increments. If iOS determines that a charge limit will help preserve your battery's lifespan, you'll see a recommendation. For example, you might see, based on your iPhone's habits, a charge limit of 95% is recommended to help preserve your battery. Watch our video on how to set a battery charging limit on iPhone to learn more about these features. Tip number 4 is to avoid extreme temperatures. Extreme temperatures can be damaging to your iPhone's battery, allowing it to get too hot or too cold. To avoid overheating your iPhone, you may want to remove your case when charging your device. If your case is very thick, it may hold in extra heat when your device is charging and potentially cause overheating. Tip number 5 is to not use your iPhone while charging. When your iPhone is charging, try not to use it while plugged in. While your iPhone is still fully functional while charging, charging the battery tends to generate some extra heat, and using it while charging can increase the temperature even more. Our next tip is to keep your iOS updated. iOS updates can help preserve your device's battery life by adding new optimization features. Keep your iPhone updated with the newest software available to ensure you always have the latest features to help your device run smoothly. Tip number 7 is to use low power mode. When your iPhone battery level drops below 20%, you should see a prompt to enable low power mode. Always enable low power mode when your device has low battery to help preserve battery life. Tip number 8 is to turn off background app activity. Apps loading data in the background can also drain your battery. To stop this, turn off background app activity. Open your settings and select General. Tap Background App Refresh. Then turn off Background App Refresh for any apps that you don't need updating in the background when you aren't using them. Location services can drain your iPhone's battery as well. If you don't currently need access to location services on your device for navigation or otherwise, consider turning off location services when not in use. You can do this by going to Settings, Privacy and Security, then Location Services. You can also ask Siri to turn location services on and off for you to make it faster. Our last tip is to not let your battery die fully and to charge it as soon as possible if it does. Allowing your iPhone's battery to fully drain can be damaging to your iPhone long term. If the battery is left empty for an extended period, the battery can go into a deep discharge state, which can make it incapable of holding a charge in the future. If your battery happens to get to 0% and your device turns off, charge it up again as soon as you can. That covers all of our tips to maintain battery health on iPhone. Want to optimize your device's storage? Check out our video on how to upgrade and manage iCloud storage next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.